With real-world speeds of up to 2 Gbps, you could download PUBG on your Android phone in less than 10 seconds and play with a ping of 8 to 12 milliseconds with 5G. But should you get a 5G phone in 2020 if you're in India? Well, let's find out. To answer the question when 5G will arrive in India, we first need to understand a bit of its working. 5G can work in two frequency ranges, that is either in sub-6 GHz or in millimeter waves. Now if we get a 5G network using the sub-6 GHz spectrum, we would have a wider coverage because the waves of this spectrum can travel a longer distance when compared to millimeter waves, and also have a greater penetration, which means you would face no speed drops if you're sitting in a house or office. But the real drawback of this frequency range is the lack of speed. It would still be plenty fast, like 400 to 600 megabits per second, but nowhere near to the millimeter waves territory. Which brings us to millimeter waves. With this, we could get really high speeds, but it offers poor coverage and penetrations. Any obstacles like walls, trees, and even user hands in some cases can affect the reception and ultimately the speed. To solve this, we need a lot of small towers called nodes. And by a lot, I literally mean like a lot, like one per locality. And as you could already guess, it's a time and resource taking process. So how much time should we wait? Let's see how much time it took 4G to get fully implemented in India. First 4G plan was released in April 2012 by Airtel for dongles and modems. That is 2 years after the spectrum auction, and didn't come to mobile phones until 2014. Were you really using 4G before Jio came up with the big surprise in September 2016? 4 years after the first 4G plan was rolled out. Yes, maybe just to check the speeds, but were you really daily driving 4G? Before Jio, 4G plans were expensive, and so would be the 5G plans like they are in the US or China. Unless Jio or some other telecom giant suddenly blows our mind, which is highly unlikely, especially given the health of telecom industry in India right now. For 5G, we already have parts of the infrastructure right now, as 4G also operates in the sub-6 GHz range. So it definitely won't take that long. Official sources reveal that the auction of 5G spectrum will now begin next year. And given the super high prices and the debt on Vodafone and Airtel, they might not even participate till the situation eases out. Well, you could definitely get 5G if your smartphone comes with 5G as an additional feature. Like if you are planning to buy OnePlus Nord, needless to say it's a great value for money product and it comes with 5G. But don't buy a phone just because it has 5G. It should not be on your priority list. You are good till early 2022 at least if your phone doesn't have 5G capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please share. Also subscribe. Don't wait till early 2022 for that. My name is Vishal and I'll meet you again in the next video. Till then, take care.